You may have noticed that these types of videos are becoming really popular on Instagram and YouTube. So, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create these cute, engaging videos easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up a prompt. To create this kind of video, the first thing you need is a prompt. You can start with a basic prompt, like describing an animal. But sometimes, the results can be underwhelming. To get better quality, I'll show you how to enhance the prompt. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to improve your prompt. Once ChatGPT provides the enhanced version, copy it and move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating images. Open your browser and search for Meta AI. Click on the first link to go to their website. On the left sidebar, click on Login and sign in with either your Instagram or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, paste your enhanced prompt into the prompt box and hit Enter. You'll see a set of generated images, which should look really cool. If you want to animate one of these images, you can try Meta AI's animation feature by clicking the animation option here. Step 3. I'll be using Canva, but feel free to use any video editing tool you like. In Canva, upload your scene and background music. Place the scene and background music on the timeline, adjusting the video size to fit the screen. You can also add transitions for a smoother, more engaging flow between scenes. Once you're happy with the edits, click on Share and then Download to save the video to your device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.